Hi guys, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today's another kind of really good subject to talk about, and that's cookies and scones. Everybody likes a cookie or a scone. I'm just going to show you some basic tips and tricks of using our products to create these. I'll just take you through. So we've got some ginger nut snaps, we've got some white chocolate shortbread, we've got some Viennese, we've got some fingers, and we've also got some discs that are done. We've got the plain scones, and then we've also got a rock bun. So I'm going to show you some tips and tricks just how to do these and keep them in the freezer and use them and enjoy them. So today we're going to use our low protein mix. We're also going to use our egg replacer. We're also using our milk. So in my bowl I've got the low protein mix. To that I'm going to add the egg replacer. We've got some sugar because I'm going to do these as sweet scones or rock buns. I need a little bit for the top. And then we need some baking powder. So again, when you're using it, a teaspoon is an exact measurement. It's not just a teaspoon out the drawer and then you use it. That's why I like these. So it's a level teaspoon, so it's 15 mils. So we need 2 of them. That's going to give us our oomph and our rise in the oven. And then in there I've got some butter. I like butter better than margarine because I think it adds flavour. It's quite firm, it's been in the fridge. So what we're going to do is we're going to rub this in. You can use your fingers, but I also like using a fork. You can use machinery for this, and you can do it in a food processor. So whatever you're going to do, there's choices there. It's really easy just to do it in a bowl. And all I'm doing is I'm just incorporating the butter into the low protein mix and all the other dry ingredients. So if you want to do a savoury scone, leave out the sugar, add all the other ingredients, and then you can add some olives, some mixed herbs, some dried herbs, some fresh herbs, a little bit of mustard powder, and some Mediterranean cheese is a really good one. You can do sun-dried tomato and mozzarella. The list is endless. Once you start making scones, they're so easy to make, and you can also get the kids involved in this one. Once they're baked, they freeze really well. You can also take them out of the freezer and use them for lunch boxes, exchange-free snacks. So we're looking for a texture which looks a little bit like a wet sand. So as you can see, that's all incorporated. You want some lumps of fat in there. You don't want it to completely disappear, because as the heat hits the butter, that dissolves. The water in there releases some steam, and that's when what rises the scone when it's in the oven. So I'm going to add in our milk, stir all this together. You're looking for a wet dough, but it's still manageable. So a little bit more just around there. I let it sit for about 5 minutes just to absorb all of that moisture. I'm going to turn it out straight away. I'm going to show you how to make a rock bun. 2 ingredients that I like to keep in the house at all times. So I've got some low protein white chocolate chips, and this you might not have seen before. These are freeze dried raspberries, so you can keep them in the cupboard. They're air dried and they just literally crumble, so you can add them to cake mixes, to scone mixes. You can add them into cream, you can put them into meringues. They're a real useful ingredient in PKU cooking. So Let me grab some low protein flour for my board and scissors. If you're going to do scones, you can literally just take it out, roll it, use whatever size cookie you want. I'm going to do some rock buns, so I'm going to take half of the mixture out and sprinkle a little bit of flour over the top just to stop it from sticking. And you can see it's then a soft, pliable dough. You can pick it up, but it's still quite wet and it's still quite soft. So, into this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my white chocolate chips and a sprinkling of my freeze-dried raspberries, and then I'm just going to incorporate all that into this mixture. It goes in quite easy, make sure you get it all in, especially the chocolate, we don't want to lose any of that. And then with a knife, I'm just going to divide that into two. And then all you do is just chop through it. It's really rough, you don't have to put any skills at this. I've got a lined baking sheet. Place that on, and then the other one. Let's get them raspberries in there. Rougher the better. Can get that all on there. Let me just get rid of that and I'll rinse my hands. So what I like to do, just to get some colour on there when we're baking them, again on the scones, because we can't use egg wash as we would normally do on a normal scone or rock one. What I like is this cake release spray. So what I do is I just spray the top of these with some of that, and then the remaining sugar that I kept, I'm just going to put on the top. Demerara is really good because you get a nice crunch with them. And then you can bake them in the oven. The recipes are all on Low Protein Connect. You can also connect to us via Facebook and Instagram. Let's move on and have a look at some of the cookies, which are really easy. Once you've got that scone recipe made, cookies tend to be the same, but they've just got more flour added to them. So the way in which you store cookie dough once you've made it is you can keep it in the fridge and then bake off cookies whenever you need to. These are the spiced ginger biscuits. So in the fridge, I made this yesterday, so it's nice and cold. You can just take out rounds of this, place them on the baking sheet and then bake off cookies whenever you want, so you don't have to bake them all. If you want to keep them longer, once they're rolled into these balls, pop the whole tray in the freezer. Once they're froze, take them out, put them back in the bag, and then whenever you need one, you can just take them out, place them on the tray, and again, bake them, and you've got a fresh cookie. I've got one of the scones that we made earlier, and what's really nice now is there's loads of cream that you can use, which is in a tin, which is low protein. So again, you can enjoy an afternoon tea or a cream scone as a snack. So that's the texture of the scone inside. I'm going to just add some jam. This is a jam that I make myself, but you choose one that you're confident with. And I'm going to top with a little bit of cream. And then you've got a low protein, exchange free, afternoon tea, cream scone. All of the cookie recipes are Viennese, the shortbread, the ginger biscuits, the scones and the rock buns, they're all on the website, so have a look for the recipes and have a go. If you need any help or any advice when you're making cookies or scones, leave a comment on Twitter or on the Facebook, and we'll get back to you. But for now, enjoy all them cookies. See you later.